Assalamu alaikum. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you. The national chairman of our reigning party, the campaigners, that is the aspirants from our zonal states. The state party chairman, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Contrary to what the last speaker said, when my husband told me of his ambition to become a governor, I cried and I had a sleepless night thinking about the life and the challenges he's going to face. Permit me to say this. I recall the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, where he was reported to have said, a leader is a servant of the people. If I will elaborate, according to this hadith, my husband is struggling so hard to become a servant of the people. And if he serves according to the dictate of the religion, then he is saved. But if he deviates and feeds himself and his family from the public fund, then he will face accountability in the hereafter, where he will account for how he gets and spends any kobo he possesses in this world. I am sorry to say, I care for you, my husband. How you're going to end up, not the beginning of you. For instance, I want him to enter paradise. My people, why are we all blind? Thinking of only the world, the world, the world. For that matter, a temporary place. Forgetting our permanent home. La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Remember, two places in the hereafter: the hell and the paradise. My people, the choice is yours. The choice is yours. I wish our candidates all the best. And please, if you are voted for, follow in the footsteps of the rightly guided caliphs. For instance, like Khalifa Abu Bakr, Khalifa Umar, Khalifa Usman, Khalifa Ali, and don't follow in the footsteps of our contemporary leaders. Assalamu alaikum. I think I would take